The new Eplan Smart Production feature allows you to assign individual tags. These tags can be used in conjunction with comments. All tags can be processed one after the other using the filter function. Tags can also be changed retrospectively. This is useful if someone has noted down and ordered a broken component. In the admin environment, under Settings, all tags can be individually designed in text and image. Any tags that are created or modified will automatically appear in the selection afterwards.